Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We have an exciting video today. I'm sure you noticed something. I dressed up for you today, so give this video a like because I dressed up for you. Yes, you watching right now, I dressed up for you. You're welcome. I know. Do you hate the outfit or do we love the outfit? I got this for Christmas. Go watch my Christmas vlog. It wasn't a vlog. Watch what I got for Christmas. Last video, I forgot to dress up. I even had my shirt. It's literally still there. I had my outfit that I wanted to wear, but I didn't put it on because I forgot. So I did my last video in a t-shirt, but that's fine. Dark gray or brown. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just realized I'm wearing a t-shirt and literally had my shirt on the hanger that I was going to wear. I am like somewhere else. I'm somewhere else. I don't know where I am. I'm somewhere else.
One crash later.
I actually do not watch that video. Anytime I added music in the background, it was entirely too loud. So if you want to watch like Rage Bait, I guess, yeah, watch it. I'm sure anybody else would have just unuploaded it, fixed it, and then uploaded it again. But the thing is, my brain, I've been doing so well with posting on Sundays, and I'm like, I'm just gonna take the L. It was a bummer too, because I was really excited about that video. It was a lot of fun. Look, I could definitely see myself doing yoga in these pants. It's giving Shaggy. But anyways, I dressed up for you. Speaking about my sister who got me this wonderful dress, she sent me a box. I haven't gone through this box. She said Chris's Christmas present was in there, so we opened it to get his present out, but then I didn't go through anything else. Let's get the box. Okay. I'm excited. There's stuff like a little wrapped in here. Should we keep the box on the table? It's kind of like not cute. I guess I should have ripped this part off too. Should I do that right now? First thing that was on top. I am going through this phase. I don't know if it's a phase. It's probably not a phase. I have been obsessed with puzzles. I actually haven't done a puzzle since November. That's besides the point. I do so many puzzles. Realistically, I probably do like 6 puzzles a year. Sure, that's not a big number. How many puzzles did you do this year? How many? Yeah, exactly. So I'm in my puzzle era. Unless you did more than, like, congratulations. Okay? It says friend move I took from their donate pile. It is Star Wars. It's Yoda and he's like in this like swampy fantasy area. I think that this is going to be extremely hard. Also, another thing, every time I do a puzzle, I tape the back and I keep it. So I have so many puzzles, just like, yeah. I really like puzzles where it's like really chaotic or like kind of eclectic, maximalist. I'm pretty sure that's a horse from Tingle, okay? But maximalist, this is like there's only one major thing and then there's like roots, same colors all around, like the vibe. And that's gonna be hard because like a piece that's right here could also be this piece over here. And that's like, that's gonna be hard. Wish your girl luck. That was the only thing I knew for sure that was in here because like, yeah, I mean, it was right on top. It's like bagged up, but I do see, let me do the stuff that I can like clearly see. Okay, so there's this. Aw, she has writing on it. It says Merry Christmas. I forgot to take this when she came and visited me for Christmas. Ow. What happened? She came, oh, it's like locked in there. We did this like janky vlog whenever we went and saw giant Christmas lights. It really gave home videos. I feel like this jacket's so extra, but I'm gonna keep it on. Ow, these clips are painful. It is so hard to open it. Okay, now I can do it. I mean, obviously you can't see me struggle because I'm just so strong. Oh wait, they are different. I was like, they're exactly the same. So cute. One of them is pearls. Ooh, oh y'all, I did my nails for you. Not really for you, I had a Galentine's thing. And so I did my nails for the Galentine's, but like works out perfectly. You wanna know a secret? I actually wore this outfit yesterday for Galentine's and I was like, I'm gonna rewear this today. But yesterday was so much cuter because I had my little white pumps and I had polka dot stockings. It was perfect. Slay. Anyways, like little pearls. Rhinestoney. There we go. Wow, look at that. I was going to put them in my hair at the same time. Should we test it out? If I didn't have my fingernail polish on, whenever I opened it, it would have like my fingernails would like turn white, you know, whenever you put pressure. That's boring. Whatever. Should I like do something funny? I can make like I can make like a Mickey ears. Oh, JK, that didn't. Ow. Okay, they're like heavy. How do I get this off? Ow! Actually hurt me. Okay, well these will definitely be able to hold all of my hair. Holy shit. They're so tiny. But they definitely hold all my hair. Sorry that's not like a cute. This isn't a cute. This isn't a cute updo. This is obviously just doing it super fast. These are like so heavy duty. How do you figure out if something's actually metal? I think that is metal. Me make teeth tingle. I can't even open it. And I'm pretty strong. I wanted to put them in like this. Kind of give me like Mickey Mouse or like Bunny or like Padme vibe. Okay, hold on. Okay, perfect. Okay, and now there's this other little baggie. Oh, there's like actual so much stuff in there. I'm so excited. I hope Brittany's actually watching this video. Brittany? Brittany? Since Brittany curated this random box and sent it to me, the chances of her watching this video are higher. So check the comments and see if Brittany commented. And if you don't see Brittany's comment, Brittany, where you at? That would be really funny.
A few moments later.
Let's just have it like this. Okay. It's like a button and then a tie. So it makes me think it's not a necklace unless, is this a necklace? I would not use this as a necklace. Is this big enough? It's not big enough to be a belt. I was literally about to ask, is this big enough to be a belt? Not me going, I'm gonna check anyways. Oh, it's actually so close yet so far. I might see if I think it'd be cute on like one of my bags. It looks like it's like a lanyard or a keychain. It might be a necklace. I'm actually not sure. Ooh, some fun earrings. There we go. Okay, I just don't think that looks cute. That does not look good on me. I think that we grabbed something that wasn't supposed to be in there. All right, there's these earrings. Can you tell? It's just a triangle. How would I even... It's like an L at the top, so it's like, I guess I put the L through, obviously. It just looks like one line. You can't tell unless it's like someone holds it like this, but like no one's gonna be doing that. You know what it looks like? An actual triangle, the instrument, triangle instrument. We go like ding! Okay, some like chains. How many times have you guys had your ears pierced? Your regular lobes? Because I've had my lobes pierced maybe 4 times. The same hole. Okay, that one, I would just prefer it to be color actually. Can you hear the music? More earrings. These earrings were $39? There's no way. These earrings were $39? What? This part isn't even plastic, it's like foam. It kind of looks like I just have a 0 on my ear. The numbers on your mailbox, that's what it looks like, the zeros. We got these earrings, little tortoiseshell with the gold pearl at the top. I just don't think that they're for me. They're hoops, but they look like a tiny animal's spine, and I don't like that. An Apple Watch band, 2 little beaded bracelets, this little chain bracelet. I like this. I'm gonna be keeping this. Like gold bracelet with little, almost look like seashells, I don't know. A ring? It doesn't even look like I have a ring on. I'm very picky about my rings. Rose gold, little studs. And last but not least, in this little baggie, oval hoops. I mean, yeah, that one looks fine. I might keep these. Donating all this. Okay, now let's get back to the good stuff. Look at the way that she, obviously these were clothes. Look how cute she is. So exciting, I'm so excited. And there's still like 2 more things in here. What is this? Did she mean to put this in here? This looks like it holds curtains. Like curtain, oh, you know what it was? Is that what it is? Is this what it's for? Is that what it's for? I can't believe she put it in a bow. I mean, I can't believe it. Let's be real. This is so exciting! Mystery box! Blocks! Last video, I said a lot of things were knit, and they clearly were not knit, but this for sure is knit, right? Yes. Either knit or crochet. Sorry, can't tell the difference. Everything, both of them take a lot of hard work. Blue pepper, like a little knit with these little balls on it. Some shorts. These are Levi's. Look how cute these freaking shorts are. Do you know this hack where you put it around yourself and you touch it so I can you even see? I could barely fit it. So it's definitely it's barely gonna fit me. I'm not size 26 anymore. But, I don't know, maybe I'll lose some weight. Yeah. I don't know what kind of material this is. 98% cotton and then 2% elastic. Okay. It's giving cowgirl, which I'm obsessed. Rollas. There's only 2 options, either 1 or 2, so hopefully one of those fit me. Oh, what? She put the tag in the pocket. I think that's so funny. This is like kind of heavy. A jean romper. I hope that this fits. This is so cute. This is the back of it. I feel like I'm gonna look like the love interest from Wizards of Waverly Place. The boy, Dean. Was his name Dean? I think his name was Dean. This is what I would wear to work on the car. I'm from Hidden, Los Angeles. Even the shorts are just cute by themselves. We have 2 more things in the box. Oh, this one feels like a book. I think that this is just a bunch of random paper. So I told her I wanted to get into junk journaling. Okay, I think that this is a bunch of random paper. Wait, this is a folder. It's a dragon. It's just a print. They stapled these pictures onto it though, which means there's definitely going to be holes and stuff on it. But I think that she wants me to use this as like a junk journal thing. Oh, all this came from one company. I thought that this was just stuff that she accumulated. Okay, I guess, are these wallpaper? Yeah, it just says pattern. I don't say anything on here that actually describes what it is. Some more dragons. Even though they look like lions, it says dragon. Fire breathing dragons. I think that these are wallpaper examples. So why does she order all of these? Yeah, it is wallpaper. It's wallpaper designs. This one's cool. There's all the animals. And there's an example of what it would look like all together, but this is just one little splotch. These are wallpaper designs. I think she wants me to use these for junk journaling. I wonder if did she order these because she wanted to send them for me to be for junk journaling? There's no way. This one's weird. This one has like a bunch of textures. It kind of feels like a rough napkin. She had to be doing some type of wallpaper project and she just kept all these splotches and sent to me. Ooh, I love this one. ASMR. I wonder what she used for wallpaper. I wonder if it was just for her work. Alright, and then last thing. Cousin Lynn's painted, I love, but I haven't hung in a while, and I think that you would. I love you. Give it a good home. I mean, Cousin Lindsay painted this. I remember these! These were in, like, the living room at my cousin Lindsay's house. And she painted these. Oh my gosh, this is totally my vibe. I'm like, already know exactly. Yeah, I already know. Do I? I kind of want them right there. These are so great. I can't believe she gave these to me. I know that she was obsessed with them. I literally was texting cousin Lindsay yesterday. So that's crazy that I just opened this up and I didn't even know it was in there. Wow, I love that. My family is just so talented. Heck yeah, definitely gonna hang these up. And these are like some weird paper. I don't know what this material is, but I think this one goes like this. I love these. I will definitely be hanging these up ASAP. Wow, that was an interesting box. And this was probably the most confusing. The paintings were probably the most exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. It's free and it makes my day. Don't forget to check down below in the comments and see if Brittni commented. And if not, what do you say? Brittni, where are you at? Exactly. Have a great day. Bye.